Hi, this is Mark Coles at Boatshed, Essex. Today I'm listing a 1988 Moody MkII, which as you can see is in really good condition. It's the bilge keel version. As you walk around the exterior you'll see the hull is in good condition. Just zoom up to the mast base. It's had a new sail cover put on board. Active radar with Raymarine C80. Curving head sail. Slab main. Towards the stern. You can see the hull is in good condition. Down to the stern. Tiller steer. Prop on a shaft with a rope cutter. Swim ladder. There's a lot to like about this boat. So for more details visit boatshed.com and search for Moody.